Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Standard 5. Today we will study General Knowledge. Lesson number 5, The Green World. In this chapter, we will know some amazing fact about trees, plants, flowers, seeds, etc. So let's start. The green world is very beautiful. So the green world is very beautiful. In this, plants and trees, some are old, some are large and some are different. These plants and trees stand apart from the rest. The largest trees in the world, the giant sequoias, are found in California. So children, underline this giant sequoia tree which are found in California, and they are the largest trees in the world. The really big ones among them are more than 3000 years old. So next one is the Rafflesia plant. Grows as a parasite. Parasite means a plant that lives in or on another plant and get food and protection from them. So this Rafflesia plants grows as a parasite on the roots of forest vines. The Rafflesia flowers live only for 3-4 days, but they can grow to be really huge, more than 3 feet. So the flower of this Rafflesia plants are very huge, means more than 3 feet, and they live only for 3-4 days. So next one is the Brazilian birthwort is a flower that looks like meat and smells like rotting flesh. So this is one type of flower that looks like meat and smells like rotting flesh. How amazing it is. Then ferns are the tallest among all non-flowering plants on land. So this is the tallest plant among all non-flowering plants on land. Then a bristlecone pine tree in Nevada is 4900 years old. Very old tree this is. It is the oldest living thing on the earth. Then the banana plant. Do you know the banana plant is not a tree but a plant because it does not have a woody stem. So banana is called a plant, not tree, because it does not have a woody stem. Then a single ripe plant. This ripe plant has about 1,38 lakh roots in just 4 months. So amazing. So many roots. That means 1,38 lakh roots in just 4 months. Then next one is the Australian Christmas tree. Tree grows up to be 45 feet tall. Its root steal water from nearby plants. So tall this tree is. It grows up to be 45 feet tall. And then orchid, a plant with flowers that are brightly colored, that have unusual shape. The picture of orchid is given here. This is orchid. Many orchids look and smell like some type of female bees and wasps. So it looks different. Now the largest seed weighing about 25 kg is from the Coco de Mer palm. So heavy seed is this of Coco de Mer palm. This is of 25 kg. It weighs 25 kg. So underline here. Children, you also underline wherever I am underlining in this lesson under some important word and some important points. Now, Mr. Know All. Some plants and animals help each other. As for example, in Costa Rica, the acacia trees provide nectar for the ants. They provide nectar for the ants, and in return, the ants keep away animals that try to eat the tree. So, this both ant and Costa Rica, the acacia tree, they both help each other. Later, you will learn how animals help plants to transport seeds. Let's move on to the next chapter. Name the family. Animals that belong to a certain family resemble each other. For example, cows, buffaloes and oxen belong to a family and have common characteristics. Each animal family is also unique in certain ways. So, this cow, buffalo and oxen, they are belong to a family and have common characteristics. So, animals belong to a certain family. Let's see some other animals and the family animal belong to. So, here question is mention the family each animal belongs to. So, here we will mention the family. Horse, the family is equine. Cow, the family is bovine. Serpent, the family is serpentine. Cat, feline. Then elephant, elephantine. Lion, family is leonine. Dog, family is canine. Ass, family is asinine. Fish, family is piscine. Fox, the family is vulpine. So, these all animals belong to different types of family. Now, here also given these all options are, you can take help of this option to write the answer that already I have given to you. Leonine, vulpine, bovine, elephantine, piscine, serpentine, asinine, equine, canine and feline. All these are aphorism or interesting sayings. Each has a reference to an animal. As per see here. If someone suddenly silent, we say, "Cat, got your tongue?" Then when we know someone will not change, we say. So, we say, a leopard can't change its spots. When you don't want to start trouble, you say, let sleeping dogs lie. Find out what making a mountain out of a molehill means. So, this is Mr. Know All. Now, children, as a part of your homework, write this both lesson number 5 with underline and lesson number 6 name the family in your GK notebook. Thank you and have a nice day.